I'm now going to demonstrate how reports can be sorted, change the order that the information is displayed in, and also how you can restrict it to just show certain values. We'll create a new query, and we'll choose the copies area, and we'll choose collection, and we'll also choose status. There we have a list of all our collections and the status of all the copies in each collection. I'll just switch the axes or swap the axes here, so I can see for each collection how many are available, how many are missing, and how many are on loan. Only status values that are used are displayed across the top of the screen. Now this example, let's say we just want to see the junior fiction and the non-fiction in this report and nothing else. We can do this by clicking on the collection. So just a single click on collection, and it shows us two columns: available members, which are all the fields, and used members. If the used members field is empty, it means all values will be shown. To just select some values, select them from the left side of the screen and click the single arrow to the right. You can choose more than one value at a time by holding down the Control key on the keyboard. We'll click Senior Fiction and also click Picture Books. Because I've selected a couple of items, I'll just click the arrow to the right, and they've both been moved to the right hand side. I'll then click OK. The report's been changed just to show those particular values. If I just want to see available and on loan items, just ignore the missing items, I can click on the status field and do a similar thing. So click on the status, and I just want to see available and on loan, and click OK. To make any changes, just do the same thing again. I'll go back to status. This time I'll just highlight everything on the right hand side and move them to the left. Click OK. And it's back to the way we started. I can also do the same for collections. Click on the collection, click the arrow, double arrow to the left, click OK, and we're back to where we started. So it's quite easy to restrict the report by certain values. We can also change the order that information is displayed in. You'll see that the statuses are listed in alphabetical order: available, missing, and on loan. It's alphabetical order. And the collections are also listed in alphabetical order. If we'd like to change the order that the collections are displayed in, we'll go to the collection field, and this time click the little arrow pointing downwards. There's two arrows up and down. Put a little triangle arrow pointing downwards. Then click on it again, and you see it's in reverse order. If you click the arrow again, it reverts to alphabetical order. So just clicking those arrows on the right hand side does ascending order, descending order, and just toggles between the two. Remember, when you finish with the report, if you'd like to use it again in the future, make sure you click the Save button at the top of the screen. Let's save this query as collection by status and click Save.